In this Word tutorial, I will guide you how you can insert home symbol in MS Word. The first method is click on the insert and click on the icons. Make sure your computer must be connected with the internet and click on the icons and type home and hit enter. And here you can see that multiple options of home symbols. Click. You can select any of them. Click insert. And here you can see that the home symbol is inserted in the MS Word. Here you can change the formatting as per your requirement, which you like. Moreover, you can rotate as per your need, like this one. Another way is that hold the shift key and on the numeric side keypad type 1, 2, 7, 9, 6, 8 and release the alt key. And you can see that home symbol is inserted. Another way is that you need to type 1F, 3E and 0 and press Alt X altogether and home symbol is inserted. So another way is that go to the search icon and type character map and click on character map, and now go to the web DIN. Click on that and here you can find home symbol. You just need to select it and copy, and now close it and Control V to paste it. So with these four methods, you can easily insert home symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.